what hiking trails turn into. Salt Spring Island in November. Watch me slip and fall. That'll make for a better video. Somebody put these little... I'm amazed they haven't floated away yet.
Yeah, cedar. Are they cedar?
Yeah, these are cedar. Oh, that's
Whoa.
sketchy. Balancing. Oh.
It's kind of like little turtles.
Yeah. Whoa.
Whoa.
Yeah, that one's floating. That one's floating.
There they go.
Oh man, this is sketchy.
Don't fall in. I'm kind of standing. I'm standing on the edge. Oh my God, it's just, oh Jesus. Oh God, it's deep.
It's deep. No, you're gonna get a soaker. I'm not gonna.
It's okay.
What? Oh, I don't want.
My boots are pretty waterproof. Keep going, Jojo. Floating. Some of them are floating in the water. Good job. Woohoo! You did the challenge. That's funny. That's pretty cool. Look at that. Reflections in the water.